girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it today. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole mine.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it today. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep it's a don't know. Let me teach you all the sounds of love.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Arabella hair, and today you guys, I'm reviewing this very beautiful balayage unit from them. This has like these gorgeous blonde piano highlights in this unit, and this unit is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I love how it complements my skin tone. And the best part about this unit is that this is a completely glueless install. I didn't have to use any product to adhere this unit today, and the unit also comes with this pre-cut lace, and this is a 5x5 closure, by the way, you guys. Love, love, love the parting space on this unit. I think the parting space is amazing, and like I said, since this is a glueless unit, you can just pull it up and off and you're good to go. So this is a great pick me up and go type of unit if you are in a rush, if you have some type of special occasion and you don't have time to do your hair. This is going to be the perfect unit for you. The great thing about it is that it does have a very snug fit to it. It has the adjustable elastic band in the inside, and I am absolutely loving the fit to this unit. I was kind of on the fence about it because it doesn't have the adjustable straps in the back. Normally I like to have the adjustable straps in the back along with the adjustable elastic band, and I also like to have the comb that's in the very back just so I can like put that underneath my braids for extra security. But this unit does not have combs in it, and it does not have any adjustable straps. The only thing that it has is the adjustable elastic band. And I like the fact that it's very comfortable and it's very form-fitting. It's also a very flat install. You know, it's not all lumpy or anything like that. The hair doesn't have like a bunch of flyaways in it, and the color job is just absolutely amazing. I really like how silky straight this unit got. Like, it's so beautiful and silky straight, and it also has a very beautiful luster to it. It's very healthy looking, like as you guys can see. Like, look at that, just such a beautiful luster. And you guys saw that I didn't put like a bunch of heat protectant like I normally do on my hair, and look how beautiful this hair looks all the way down to the ends. Like, the ends aren't fried looking, it's still very silky straight. It has a beautiful flow to it. So I absolutely love this unit from Arabella hair. The density for this unit is 180%, so if you wanted something a little bit thicker or fuller, I would say for me this is the best 180% density unit because it is so full. This is a very, very full unit, and I'm sure you guys saw that like even before I flat ironed this unit out, like it was a very full unit. So I love, love, love that about it, because I've been noticing like certain companies, they'll send me a unit that's 180% density but it looks more like 150% density. This one is 180% density all the way, like from the root all the way down to the ends. Like, it's just so beautiful. Absolutely love this one. They did their thing on it, and this is a 26-inch unit as well, you guys. Absolutely love this unit for it to be 26 inches. You guys are going to be blown away when I tell you how much this unit costs. So right now Arabella is having a sale for graduation, so they are having a graduation promotion at the moment. So if you need a unit for any type of celebration this season, you're definitely going to want to check them out right now. This unit is going for only $226, you guys, for this 26-inch unit. This is a 5x5 closure, okay? This unit is absolutely amazing and a great steal. You definitely want to hop on board right now because the price will eventually go back up and you won't be able to get it for this price. And also check out some of their other units on the site because they are having a sale site-wide. So if this is not the unit for you, but you want to check out something else that they might have, they definitely have some really good deals right now. But $226 for a 26-inch, that is an amazing discount, you guys. And that's only for like now. So you might watch this video, it might be like 6 months from now, they're not gonna have the same price. So I'm just telling you guys right now, hop on it while you can. Like I said, this is a pre-cut lace, so I didn't have to cut my lace off, which made it so much easier to just literally slide this unit on, flat iron it out, and you're pretty much good to go. I would say that this unit is also a beginner friendly unit, so if you're someone who isn't well versed with, you know, like styling your own hair, this is going to be the perfect unit for you because they do everything for you. You don't have to do anything really. And as far as customizing goes, I did bleach the knots in this unit, and I also tinted the lace using the Ebon Lace Tint Spray in the color dark brown. I am going to stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. Like I said, this is a 26-inch unit, and for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. Here's where it hits on me in the front. And it's beautiful all the way down to the ends. The ends aren't like all fried looking. Love that about it. Very, very long. It almost gets 30-inch on me. And I don't know if it's just because I'm short or what. But yeah, it's like really, really long. And it's just like silky straight. Like if you don't want stiff hair, if you want silky straight hair, if you want something that has a beautiful color job, this is definitely going to be the one for you. I mean, just look at that. Like, that is so pretty. So shout out to Arabella for sending over this unit. I absolutely love it. I know a lot of you guys are going to like it as well, and it's just an amazing discount. Like, you just can't beat the price, honestly. The quality, the price, the everything, like, it's just, it's giving. And this is for their 26-inch, so if you were to go down to like a 24, a 22, a 20-inch, you know, you will really get even more of a discount, and you know, a whole lot of savings. And who doesn't like to save money? I know I like to save money, girl. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested, check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Arabella Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.